Ugh, voice cracks for days. Hey guys, you're not Keenan Ronaldo here. Welcome back to more Vikings Age of Warlords, and I know it's been a while, and it's probably gonna be a long time since we get built back up. It's okay. Sorry guys if you can hear tapping on screen and any kind of lag and choppiness, anything like that. Oh god. 5,000 stability. Oh, that's so low. Oh god, I know, right? Alright, so let's just grab some of this and claim the reward of that, and grab this and go like that, and collect all this. That's all I feed you guys. Kind of, sort of, really. Alright, so we're just gonna build another freaking farm, because that's all we can do, because we're freaking poor. Sort of. We're gonna upgrade this farm. Sorry if you can't hear me either, you guys. The music for this game kind of, sort of, loud. Kind of. Alright. So let's collect our little Vikings here, and we need more. We need more of an army. We only have 150. Let's get some soldiers here. I'm gonna turn this down a little bit, you guys. Alright, there we go. And so if you guys enjoy the series, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to watch the rest of it. Stocking stolen. Well, they really suck, you guys. Some of you guys were wondering last time that I recorded this and uploaded it. Wondered what. Ooh, it's an island. It's an island. So we're by an ocean. Excuse me, guys. What server I am on? So you guys can possibly come play with me. If you want to. If I can actually find it, possibly. So we're by the edge of the map. Oh god, guys. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Okay, that's a little bit more better. Fix that, and so I'm gonna try to find out what server I am on, and if I do figure out, then I will stop at things. Advanced teleport, not one of those magical things. Alright, you guys, so let's go back into our little city here. Our little fortified city. That's pretty much worthless now because I just got attacked like 500 times. And you guys are pieces of shit. We need castle level 7. We're only level 4. What the fuck? Alright, so let's build more tax houses, I guess. Damn. This can be built for free. Free! And we'll just build right here. And boom. And we're gonna upgrade them. And upgrade. And upgrade. Come on. And upgrade. Sorry guys, but if you guys enjoy the series, obviously don't forget to share with your friends. And any kind of series you want me to do, don't forget to suggest them. By the way, you guys, I am going to be saving up for a new computer, a gaming PC, and I'm gonna be uploading on there gaming PC stuff like games. Obviously, Kingdom Reign all the gameplays. Yep. God, that was really fucking cringy. I'm not gonna lie, you guys. Alright, so go like that. Oh god, our army is so small. We're by an ocean. Oh god. How? I wonder how this castle hasn't even eroded away. Like, you know. Let's see. Oh, our little captain guy right here. He has bag. Resources. Food. What else can we do with you? Oh, we can send you on this kind of stuff. Free. Confirm. Let's go our little bag of stuff. We're gonna be combining. Oh, yeah. Alright. We're gonna go like select, and select craft. Oh, you guys, that 1% chance, dude, that's so lucky. That 1% chance. I'll show you guys again. Alright, so 9% for the same thing, 90% for a green, and 1% for a blue, and same thing right here, and we got a blue barbarian sword. That is epic, you guys. The chances of that, holy shit. God, oh, that was just unlucky. That was super unlucky. Select, and correct. What the hell? This is not going well. That's it. You're useless to me. Get out of my face. Mass growth. Automatically. Okay, craft. There we go. And automatically and craft. Alright, I guess it's better than things. And we're gonna equip this mantle. And we're gonna equip this guy. Guys, that is so lucky. Holy shit. And we're just gonna do this. Oh, guys, we got blue gear too. Ooh, okay. So we're gonna do. I did not mean to do that. Select, and craft. And we're gonna do the same thing with these reins right here. And do the same thing, craft. And boots, let's do the boots. And the boots. And the hoods. Back in the hood. And craft. And I think that's all that we can actually do together. Then we're gonna do automatically. Okay, you guys, we're gonna take a chance. Select, and we can't do that right now. We're gonna do this, dismantle. We're gonna go back over here. We're gonna select, and select. Hopefully, it's a 50-50 chance now. There we go, you guys. Yeah, alright. What? Let's, put on our ring. Okay, I get it. Jeez, fuck off. Okay, so we're gonna equip, and where's the other thing? Equip. There we go, and let's go exploring once again. 20. Holy shit. Alright, so we're just gonna do it automatically. No? No. Okay, let's not do that one. So today's episode, we're just gonna be crafting. Select, as you guys can see, select and select. Craft. Okay, that's good. And then we're gonna do the acorn necklace. And let's do some leather boots. The boot test. Who can find this much armor on just like looking around? Like, oh hey, I found a fur hat. Or, oh hey, I have found some light armor. I totally don't know what the name is for it, but I'm just gonna call it light armor. Then, let's see, do we have 3? Yes, we do. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna... Fuck. Alright, let's go back. Go right here. And let's go to our person. Let's get this guy off. And we're going back to this. And then we're gonna go... Boom. Boom. And boom. And craft. Come on, come on, come on. Yes! Alright. So we're gonna do the same thing with these boot tests. And... Okay. Okay, I see how it is. Yeah, I said it. See how it is. And we're not gonna do those. Oh, fuck. Alright, we can just use this. I always get what I get, you guys. Almost always. Let's go back to our person and let's put this on. And let's put this on. And I think I'm just gonna sell the rest. Sell. And sell. And sell. And one more sell. Welcome to our cellular devices. Today we'll be doing the more cellular devices. Alright, let's grab that. Do this, do that, do that, do this. Ooh, shit. Oh, come on. Stop being a pain in my ass. And let's go 4 minutes. And we're gonna upgrade these two for the episode ends. And, oop, come on. Sorry for this tapping on the screen, guys. Sorry if you can't hear me either. And I do not own any of the game music, like, shit, noises, stuff like that, but I do own my own voice. Yeah, hi. Alright. Weak cards. Okay. And then we're just gonna go like boom and upgrade. What can we do with this? We need 700 people to kick his ass. Well, go kick some ass, you guys. Go kick some ass. Oh, what's this? Before the episode ends, you guys, I just want to look at this special one. Where's that special one? 2K experience. Wow, that was so helpful. I know, right? Well, hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you didn't, then that's kind of crappy, I guess. But I will see you guys later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you want more of this. And comment down below what kind of gameplays you want me to do. I'll see you guys later.